Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm popping on to share some mid-month inspiration with you. Now this fabulous stencil is called Happy Thought Wreath. You can see it has a bunch of sentiments and this cool heart wreath, so you can really customize this and use this one stencil a bunch of different ways. Here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed, but it really is just some simple ink blending and taking advantage of the cool design of this stencil. So you can see I have a little bit of a spot of cardstock uncovered here, so I'm going to use some post-it tape. Wow. Post-it tape at the top to protect that panel so I don't get ink where I don't want it. And I'm grabbing three kind of newer colors. I have Quartz, Goldenrod, and the fabulous new Glacier. I'm kind of playing on primary colors. So if you're ever in a slump and don't really know what colors to use, think about what colors you have that are kind of in the realm of primary colors. So if you have like a red derivative, a yellow derivative, and a blue derivative, try and put those together and see what happens. So you can see these three colors look great together. When they overlap, they create secondary colors, and it's just kind of a fun way to create a color palette kind of if you're in a slump. So I'm coming in with this Glacier in a couple different spots. I have the Goldenrod in a couple spots and the pink in not a ton, but I'm kind of pleased with this layout. Now I decided to go with the You Are My Happy, and these are so fun. These little sentiments are just a bunch of little dots. So bear in mind, Mary Kay at A Colorful Life Designs, the owner of this business, she's a one-woman show. She designs these, she cuts them all out on her laser, she weeds them all by hand, she mails them all out. So you can imagine having to weed all these tiny little dots for these sentiments. But how fun is it that you can make a complete card with one stencil? You have all these different options for sentiments to get more bang for your buck. So I think it's great when I don't have to bust out a stamp set. I can just do everything from that one stencil and have a complete card. I think it's so versatile and awesome. So now I'm going to cut down this panel with a rectangle die here just to give it a little bit of interest. It is going to bring it down slightly smaller than A2 size, but you can see it has that fun stitched edge. Now I don't want to leave a white border in this case, so I'm just using some scratch paper just to kind of sandwich around my card base so I don't get ink on the inside of the card and I don't get ink all over my workstation. And I'm going to use that quartz color and the goldenrod just on opposing sides of this card base just to kind of tie in the colors that I used with ink blending and also create that nice matching colored border. So I'm going to put this panel down on the card base with some thin foam tape. This is 1 inch wide, but it's only 1 millimeter thick. This has been my go-to lately. I absolutely love it because it gives you some dimension, but it doesn't make it sit up too high. So there's less likely of a chance that it's going to kind of get caught up in post or sent back needing more postage. So I've really been enjoying these 1 millimeter thick options. Now I just need to decide what card bling, which can be a little hard because there's like 130 some colors in the shop. Gorgeous little packages of bling, and you can also use my coupon on this. So if you shop for anything, be sure to use my coupon AmyFan10 and you'll save on your complete order. Now that includes this stencil. This stencil is on sale for the first week only. So not only can you get it on sale, but you can get it even cheaper if you apply my coupon AmyFan10 at checkout. So you can use my coupon for anything in the shop other than the Master Creator bundles. I was able to use 3 similar colors here with the pink, yellow, and blue, and that's going to finish my card. So thank you so much for spending time with me. Be sure to check out the rest of this fabulous release, and if you're interested in this versatile stencil, be sure to get it in the first week when it's on sale. So thanks so much for spending time with me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.